Hey y'all, Hooli here with Hanging with Hooli, and I thought I'd give you a bonus video for today. This is a lock I found. I do not have a key for it. I cannot get it open unless I pick it, of course. However, I'm not going to single pin pick it. I'm going to rock it. So, let's zoom in. Get our focus good. Use this wiper and let's see. Actually, let me zoom out just a little bit. Okay. So, I'm going to use a short hook from Covert Instruments in 25 thousandths. And I'm going to rock it. May take me a couple of tries. But there we have an open. Let's do it one more time. Reset. And we have another open. Anyway, there is our bonus video for today. Thank you for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe if you like, comment, all that good stuff. I'm going to edit this up and throw it up today as a bonus video. And I hope you all have a good day. Thanks for watching.